How to buy tariff token. So before we start, so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 10 hours ago and it increased by 761 to 60% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 99%, as good as many investment in the safe place. This token is trending number 13 in the screener right now. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitkit wallet. Go and open your wallet. Select the Solana as a network. Click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. Click on this plus to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the tariff token that you just added to your wallet. So after you find it, click on it. Click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC. Make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet before going and buy this token. Type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive the token. After that, it's easy and simple. Click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy tariff token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.